All right, this is the Xsense Wi-Fi hygrometer thermometer. It's a smart temperature and humidity monitor. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes, but all opinions are my own. So to get this, it comes in some really nice packaging right here. You get a base station, you get 3 sensors, you get all the batteries. The batteries are included. They take 2 AAAs in each of these sensors and they've given them to you. You get some labels. You get a lanyard for each sensor if you want to use that, if you want to hang this thing somewhere. You get about a 2-foot cable, and actually they give you a charging block. And you get a really well-written set of instructions here in multiple languages. It's really a small, compact design. We're looking at about 3 inches by 3 inches right here. Rubber feet on the bottom. You can see this thing has an audible alarm on here. And there's your plug-in in the back. And here's your button to help you link it. The devices work on a 2.4 gigahertz router range, and you're even able to export your data going back a year. And I'll show you how all this works, and we'll set it up and show you how easy it is to set up. You got QR codes right here to help you get to the app, and you also have QR codes in the manual themselves to help you get to the app. It's the Xsense app right here, and it's super easy to set up. And first thing you want to do is plug it in. Once it starts flashing yellow, you're going to press the plus sign right here, and we're going to look for thermo hygrometers right here. We're going to add a base station. It's going to ask you to name the device. We're going to call this, let's just call this base 1. And mine is going to be located in the basement. We're going to create this, and it's saved. Now it's going to ask us to pair the device. We're going to turn the base station on and press and hold the button for 5 seconds until it flashes yellow. I'm going to hit next. It's going to search for the device. It's looking for my router and my password.
Connecting to Wi-Fi.
There you go. And you can see it's added our base station in the basement and tells me that it's online. All right, our next move is we're going to add our devices to the base station. We're going to hit this. We're going to hit thermometers and hygrometers. Thermometer, hygrometer, location, basement. Next. And it gives you walks you right through it. Remove the back cover of the device. And the way you do that, like a screwdriver, open this up, and this opens up. And while you're in here, if you wanted to use the lanyard, you can do that as well. This just hooks right on here like this. Because once you put the batteries in, you press this button twice, and this light starts to blink right here. And you
ready to add a device.
You hit the next button, and just like that, added it super quick, and we're done. Close the lid up, and we have one device ready to go. And you can also just repeat that for the next 2 devices. I'm gonna hit finish, and there it is. It's monitoring everything right there. So this is pretty cool. And notice the temperature outside is 86.9. We've got a 70-degree relative humidity. It is the middle of July right now. We can set our alarms to different things if we want. So max temperature, min temperature, relative humidity, enable alarm sound, continuous sounding sounds. We can change our sound settings in here. There's different tones. Dog barking. We can set it up with Alexa. We can change our notification settings. Check that out. I turned it down so you could see it go off, and there it's giving me an alarm. It's showing up on my phone to let me know that there's a problem and I need to deal with it. I like that. You can see it's keeping a running range on what's going on right here. What's cool too is if I want to, I can set this data up to export to my email address daily, weekly, monthly, however I want to do it. You just hit export data. Are you sure you want to export your data? Yes, I do. Export data requests. And just like that, easy enough. As this thing has a range of 1,700 feet, so it's great for homes with multiple floors on them, larger homes, you know. It's pretty awesome to have 24/7 humidity and temperature monitoring right on my phone. Something like this would be great for your humidor, your greenhouse, your basement when you're on vacation, you know, to protect your humidity sensitive collectibles or art or cigars or whatever. And in my case, my guitar. This is going on my guitar case. And I love this. Pretty awesome.